Hi students, my name is Daria and I represent Wilfrid Laurier International College located in Brantford, close to Toronto, Canada, and I'm glad to support our partner agency Canam today. Laurier is ranked #1 in Canada for quality of instructors, so you will be studying with the best professors in the country if you choose to do your bachelor degree with us. Laurier is also one of the top 5 for student satisfaction and extracurricular activities. We are offering a wide range of programs, including user experience design, so-called UX design, data and computer science, business and accounting, health administration, psychology and criminology, film studies, and many more. And all our programs are actually applicable and will ensure you a successful career in Canada or any other country. Please book your appointments with desk number 13 through your Canam counselors to meet up with me from September 7th to September 18th on a date and time slot convenient to you. And I will be glad to share useful advice of which program to choose to get a highly paid and in-demand job to ensure your successful career in Canada or any other country of your choice. See you soon at Canam Fair.